So I was talking about the benefits of sea moss. It's also called Irish moss. And it's called Irish moss because the Irish people used it while they had a famine and it helped them to survive. So it's commonly called Irish moss, but it's sea moss is a sea vegetable that's found in the ocean abundantly and it has a lot of nutrients in it. So I want to talk about how I take mine. So you can actually buy it in its raw forms, and you will have to rinse it and soak it and blend it and do a lot of different things. So I actually take mine in capsule form, and that's the way I sell it. And I found out that that's actually that was the request of people said that they didn't want to take the gel because it tastes so bad. Now I take bitter teas all the times. I don't add tea, sugar or anything to my tea. I may add cinnamon, but I don't add agave or honey or anything like that. I like to drink my tea straight. I don't want to add any more sugar to it. So if you do eat the sea moss gel, it is really difficult. I cannot take sea moss just plain. So in the capsule form, it's good for me, and it's good if you're convenient. It's very convenient if you're on the go, um, or if you're working, if you have things to do, and it's a lot of processing. If you want to make a smoothie or add it to a smoothie, you have to add a lot of sugar to dilute the taste. So to me, in order to make the most out of it, it's good for you to take it as a capsule. So that's the way I sell it, that's the way I provide it, and that's the way I have been taking it. And the absorption is better. So if you are concerned about absorption, you can take it with some hot tea, the capsule with some hot tea, or you can kind of open. A lot of times I open up the capsule and then I swallow it. Or you can just open up the capsule and sprinkle the powder on your foods. And a little bit goes a long way because the sea moss expands. So I'm going to talk about something else that the sea moss is good for on another video that people may not want to look at with their children. So I want to talk about that. If you want to get some sea moss capsules, you can go to my website, craftswoman.com.